everybody, in this video I am going to give you some tips and strategies for your English language paper, and I have scored 90 plus in English, so I can also tell you what things I improved, because in my pre-board I did not score well in English part, especially in the essay. I scored around 12 to 13 marks out of 25 in my essay part. So if I talk about the marks distribution, it is 20 for essay, that is the composition, 12 for your directed writing, and 8 for your proposal writing. If you're not good at writing essays, then you should always write the first part, that is the descriptive composition. This is the safest option you can attempt. For example, it is written you recently went to a bank to withdraw some money. While you were waiting for your turn, a gang of robbers entered with their guns. Describe what happened thereafter. So this descriptive essay is the safest option if you don't know how to write essays or you're scoring less in your pre-boards, in your mock test. Write an original story with the title A Selfless Man. Please do not attempt this essay if you do not read novels. It's best for those who have read a lot of novels. They have also worked in publishing magazines. Like there are some students in our schools who publish a magazine, or they are the main editorial board. Because in stories you have to write a lot of things. You must know the theme of that story, and then how to start with that, anecdotes, the storyline, everything should be interesting. If you don't know how to present your arguments, you can't make good points in that. Estimate your grammar book, that is very important. If you go through this book, you will get all the directed writing formats, and I've also made this ebook in which directed writing examples plus proposal writing examples are written, and this is in accordance to semester 2 syllabus. In directed writing, they may ask you a lot of topics. They may also give you cultural program review or travel brochure under the heading of article, so you must be prepared for all of that. And when you attempt your proposal writing, it is of 8 marks. Try to grab these 8 marks. The heading is there, objectives, in which you have to answer why you are organizing this particular event or anything. Not more than 2 points must be written in this part. If you write words beyond the limit, then I think it is not a good sign. Stick to the word limit. And then list of measures, again 3 or 4 points. Maximum 3 points. Okay. In this part, you have to write the date, time, venue, budget, and appointment. You can also refer to my videos on proposal writing. I have taught you this very easily. Now, there is this myth that you have to write a lot of flowery language in English language paper. That was not a case with me. When I was in my 12th grade, I used only limited words that were advanced vocabulary, and you don't have to write flowery language in every line. Yes, you have to maintain your vocabulary, you have to use some advanced words. For that, I would suggest you Grammarly. I'm not promoting it, I'm just telling you it helped me in my vocab building. So you can use this app, or you can also replace your words like bored, bad, good with some alternatives, the synonyms. If you Google them, you will get a lot of synonyms for bored, for bad, or good. Avoid using all these normal basic words, especially in your essays. For example, instead of bored, you can use tedious, right? So that is how you improve in English language. And you can write your essays. You can ask teacher to check those essays.